Hi, today we will see how to use the Augment Sales application to show virtual products in the real environment in real time and at scale. Augment Sales is currently available on iOS. For Android, you can use the regular Augment app, which supports less functionalities. Once logged in, browse the gallery and choose a 3D model. In order for the device to detect the floor or another horizontal surface, make sure that the space is properly lit and that you slowly move your device from left to right. If the square doesn't turn to a full square, try to move to a different surface or provide more light. When the square blinks, tap to position your model. You can move it with one finger and rotate it with two. You unselect the model by tapping outside of it and select it again by tapping it. Unselect the model to show the menu and add another product to compare them side by side. You can duplicate a product, change it for another one, or remove it altogether from the scene. Capture the augmented reality simulation by pressing the round button. When you're happy with the result, you can capture the place. It will be synchronized online so you can share it or retrieve it from a different device. When you open a place, you can still modify the 3D models present on the scene or add new ones. It allows you to show an augmented reality experience even if you're not on the spot. Share it with your team or customers so they can modify them and experiment various setups. I'll let you discover the other features of Augment Sales, like checking the dimensions of a product, modifying its materials, open a 3D view to check it out under every angle, and plenty other things.